Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome back to another new video of Nfx Fashion TV. Guys, let me tell you one thing. Today's video is going to be really interesting, so watch the video till end. And today we are going to tell you about Lolita Fashion. Yes, you heard it right, so let's get started. What is Lolita Fashion and how to be a Lolita? Lolita is a street fashion style that originated in Japan in the 1980s. It is meant for young women or older teenage girls with a distinctive style of clothes with strong characteristics of femininity and doll-like cuteness. Lolita fashion clothing resembles intricately made historical children's clothing with European styles of Victorian, Baroque and Rococo and fantasy influences. A Lolita is someone who dresses always or occasionally in this style and wants to follow the fashion as a lifestyle. Lolita fashion style is also a way of life for many, a way to be adorable and sweet in fashion as well as demeanor. Many people assume that Lolita is a costuming fashion following Japanese anime characters, but true Lolita followers are offended by this, as well as any association to the Russian novel Lolita by Vladimir Nabokov, because they follow this fashion as a means of self-expression rather than a fleeting interest in cosplay characterization or as a caricature. It is also a modest fashion, unlike the media projection of it, with overt sensuality. Elegance and cuteness go hand in hand with Lolita fashion. This and the characteristic femininity is present in all Lolita clothing, even though there are many offshoots of Lolita fashion with some variations. All of them encompass these features, with the variations occurring mostly in the patterns and colors used. Sweet Lolita. This childlike Lolita style features clothes in pastel colors, mainly tones of white and pink, with lots of lace and embroidery. Then comes Gothic Lolita. This style features influences from Victorian inspired goth fashion. Gothic Lolita also uses many common Gothic motifs such as skulls, Gothic crosses, crowns, items of Gothic architecture such as fences and cathedrals, roses, etc. Next is Punk Lolita. This style has influences from the punk fashion. Classic Lolita and country Lolita are other variations. Then there are variations of Lolita fashion according to color. Kuro Lolita, that is all black, and SHIRO Lolita, that is all white. So guys, that is all about Lolita. I hope you liked the video. If so, do click on the like button. Do leave your reviews in the comment section. Share the video as much as possible with your friends, family, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and keep watching Nfx Fashion TV. Keep flaunting, stay stylish. Have a good day.